Our circulatory system consists of blood vessels, heart. Our blood is consist of three type of components and plasma. Three type of components mean blood cells. Blood cells are RBC or erythrocyte, WBC or leukocyte, platelets and platelets. RBC carries oxygen. Why it's called RBC or red blood corpuscles? For the presence of hemoglobin. Acha. WBC further divided into granulocytes and agranulocytes. In granulocytes, neutrophil, eosinophil, basophils are there. In agranulocyte, lymphocyte, monocytes are there. What is the function of WBC? WBC protect us from invading the germs. It kills foreign germs by phagocytosis, prevents allergic condition, etc. Achha. What is the function of platelets? Platelets, other name is thrombocyte. They form thromboplastin during blood coagulation. Platelets form thromboplastin during blood coagulation. They help to repair the damage of blood vessels. Now, blood vessels. Blood vessels are three types. One is artery, vein, capillary. Artery carries oxygenated blood away from the heart to different part of the body. Exception, pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood. Next, vein. Vein carries carbon dioxide blood different parts of the body to heart. Exception, pulmonary vein. Capillaries are the fine blood vessels. Blood vessels between the arterioles and venules. They are short in diameter. Their wall is thin and made of a single layer of endothelial cells. Next, heart. Heart, all of you know that heart is called a pumping machine. Now, circulation in our body, among all the animal, there are two types of circulation present. One is open circulation, another is closed circulation. What is open circulation? Open circulation is the pattern of circulation in which blood from the heart flows through the blood vessels and enters into the body cavity to directly both the tissue cells for the exchange of materials, and then returns back to the heart through blood vessels by the way of sinus. Example, cockroach. What is closed circulatory system? Closed circulatory system is the system of circulation in which blood always flows through the heart and blood vessels, never enters the body cavity. Example of closed circulation, human being.